Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dark mode in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to these settings. Go to settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness. Go to display and brightness, and here select dark mode and just to turn on dark mode. Okay, if you turn on dark mode, then it will be instantly applied. Yes, instantly dark mode is applied. If you would like to set custom dark mode, click on dark mode and turn off dark mode, and auto on off you can set. Okay, already it is set to none. Turn on from sunset to sunrise. Okay, so automatically sunset timing and sunrise timing will be detected by your phone, and at the time during the sunset dark mode will be applied. During the sunrise dark mode will be disappeared. Okay, turn on at custom time. You can set your own timing for turn on dark mode. Okay, so start time you can set here. Start time by default it is set to 8 p.m. You can change at any timing. So here I just 6:15 or 6:20 as p.m. for dark mode start time. Okay, I got set. Okay, then end time 7 a.m. is already showing here. I just use 6 a.m. Okay, yes. So dark mode will be starting every day 6:20 p.m. and ending at 6 a.m. on next day. Okay, so this is the custom time. You can set any time. Okay, not only in the evening. If you would like to set in the daytime, yes, you can set. Okay, whenever you want, just you can set your own timing and use the dark mode if you would like to get it. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.